Hi guys, Sourdough Kathy here. Well, today, as you can see, I have a potato that is really in pretty tough shape. I think it's time to harvest. It's been going. These now are not potatoes. These came from my chitted skins once again. So I'm going to cut it down because you can see how nasty it looks. And we'll see what we got. I can see a little tiny potato right here on top. And this is what I find happens with chitted potatoes. They actually happen to grow on the top of the dirt for whatever reason. But as you can see, here's one right here, right off the top. They're little, but they're part of the whole thing. They're a little bit green too. But we'll just pull this off. And we'll take a look at what's going on here. Okay, now this was a much bigger pot than the rest of them. And guess what? Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of, ooh, maybe I'm wrong. There's a nice sized one. Here's another one. Another one a little wonky looking here. Another one. It's kind of hard when you're dealing with this little tiny thing. Now this is one nice potato here. And like I said, as far as I know, there were only 2 chits in each one of these. We have doggy-sized potatoes here. And this is where they came from, just like all the rest, right there, that little piece of chip. And that's where they all seem to start from. You can even see the little skin that was there originally. So, oops, there's some more in here. Another nice one. Ooh, just because they weren't on the outside didn't mean they weren't on the inside. Sweet. This is the other one. You can always tell where they started from. This one stayed nice and moist. Here's some more little ones, but potatoes nonetheless. There's another 2 little ones. These little ones make nice little boiled potatoes with some butter and a little bit of parsley. Or even home potatoes where you just mix them with the skins and everything. Okay, that's about it. This is what we got. And I'll tear out the scale here in just a second and see how much poundage we have here. This soil is actually wet because I wet it this morning. I'm trying to wipe my hands on the grass here. Okay. Okay, it's at 0. I'm sorry you can't see, but it's because it's so sunny here. It is so hot here. It's almost 90 degrees here in Alaska, which is absolutely insane. Yesterday was the record-breaking 90-degree temperature that we got. Okay, we got 2.99 pounds. Whoops, wait a minute. Wait a minute. We do have another potato here. What? How can you have 2.99 to go to 2.106? That doesn't make sense. Alright, this thing's being crazy on me. It must be the heat, right? Gotta blame it on something. Okay, we're gonna try this again. One more time. I don't know what happened there. The other day it was so hot that my, if you watched the video, I had to cut it in half because it was so hot that it shut my phone off. Okay, we're at 0. Okay, it says 2.105. Whatever that is, I think that's close to 3 pounds. For some reason, it's just not reading correctly, but anyway, that's what we've got, a nice big bowl of potatoes. So I'm going to put these in the bucket, and I have one more little one to do here. This is only a 2.5 gallon container, but it's on its last leg here too. As you can see, it's going kaplunk. Must be my new word for the week. And we'll see what we've got in this one. Now this one I couldn't feel anything on the outside, so I don't have a clue what's going on in this one. I see nothing on the outside, but maybe, and it's dry in the bottom, so we'll see what's going on here. Well, we have 1. Ooh, not too bad. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, little crazy, but big. 8, 9, 10, 11. You don't have to have a lot of space either. 12, 13. This one's kind of crazy. 14. Lots of little ones. Ooh, there's more in there. 14, 15. The other day when I was doing this, I actually found some after I had given my final tally, so I'm kind of looking around a little bit. Okay, that's about it. So let's check it out again. It's tearing at 0. If this thing is working correctly, it's acting funny. And this is 2.68. So that's almost 3 pounds. So that means the other one had to be over 3 pounds, very close to 3 pounds. It just doesn't make any sense to me what the other one was. But that's it for now, folks. I hope you enjoyed the little reveal. Know that you can grow potatoes from chitted pieces of skin if you do it correctly. Use some worm castings. That's the most important part that I found, mixed with a little bit of coir, a little bit of soil. You don't need a lot of those things, but the worm castings are really important in getting these things to root properly. And as you can see, to me, if you're taking 2 pieces of a chitted potato, you can get 4 chits off of 1 potato, and you can have 5 pounds of potatoes in very little soil to boot. So thanks for watching. Check like if you liked, or if you want more content, subscribe, hit the bell, and thank you for visiting. Love you all. Bye-bye now.